Hi guys, you're welcome to Halogenious Ideas. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a GitHub account. GitHub is arguably the social media platform for programmers. GitHub can be used to store your code. It can be used for version control, where you can manage your code base. So if as a beginner or a professional, if you have to show your portfolio to somebody, they would, if it is the coding part of tech, they most likely will want to see your GitHub account. So for you to create your GitHub account, you come to your web browser, make sure you have an email address. I have an email address ready to go over here. Come to the next tab and go to github.com. I'm using Mozilla Firefox, but any web browser at all will do. So you come to sign up. Okay, enter your email address. So that will be poet@gmail.com. You press enter. Then you create a password. So let me just continue. Now the username, I can just something to use as my username. Would you like to receive product updates? Why not? Yes. So to verify my account, to know if I'm a real person, to rotate the animal to face in the direction of the hand. So the hand is facing this direction. So the direction of the hand. Submit. So now I can create my account. So let me save this to the browser. Okay, they said my password cannot include my login. So let me use this one, generated by Google. So continue. Yes. To verify my account, I think this is the direction of the hand. So submit it. I can create my account now. So if I show the password, okay, so update. Now they sent a code to my email, so you can see the code over here. I can just copy the code, then okay. So how many team members will be working with me? Let me just choose just me for now. Are you a student or a teacher? It doesn't really matter whatever you choose here, but I'll just choose this one for now. So what specific features am I looking for? I can decide to go with collaborative coding, security, so client apps and community. So just continue. Okay, so for now you can just go with the free plan, but if you are working, if you are creating for a team, you can consider using this, but I'll just continue with the free package for now. So you can see what they are showing me. Okay, so this is my empty GitHub account. So I can do whatever I want to do with it. So if I want to create a new repository, this is what a readme file is going to be looking like and all that. So when you upload your code, this is what it's going to be. This is the account where you're going to be having your code. So if you want to create a new repository, you want to you want to fork someone else's repository and all that, you can do that using your GitHub account. So you can see other repositories that you have over here that you can explore. For example, if you come to this Python library, which is scikit, you can see it is telling you that it's a Python library. So this is the repository over here. So you can fork the repository. So this is the fork repository. So you can see that 24,600 plus people have forked this repository. You can also start it if you want to. So your GitHub account is live and in HD. So now, yeah, that will be all for this video. Thank you very much. See you in the next one.